Wallahi, dan shafa. Why now? Why now? They find my baba. They find my village. I don't tire, wallahi, I don't tire. What? Help me. Wallahi, I go share for my papa. Why? I go thank God. Where? Wallahi, Allah, Koparu. No food. Wabani, no water. Where the people get house? No day. I go bring the water. No day now. Mama, I will go now. Inshallah, I will better. They find the Ajema village.
Okay, Esiama village.
Esiama village. Yawa. Now what day?
Here is Esiama village.
Yawa. So, Ama na my papa don't born me for Kasena. Oh, he don't born me for Kasena. Ama the papa he don't come for village for long. Yeah, I never see him now. Ama now I don't come for Ajema village. I dey find them na awo. Na my papa na name na Ogwo Kori. Ogwo Kori kuma. Ogwo Kori for Ajema village.
Ogwo
Kori. Haba.
Ogwo Kori. In this Asema village.
Mama, Ogwo Kori.
Okay. Ogwo Kori.
Yawa. Do Allah no English too much na she more dey here.
Okay. So, are you a brother to or a friend of Ogwo Kori?
Kai na may be pikin for Ogwo Kori.
You are a son of Ogwo Kori.
Yawa.
Oh, so Ogwo Kori still have a person like you?
I like this.
Here is Esiama village. No problem. I will show you where this Ogwo Kori, I remember he has died long time ago.
So Allah tomorrow come Allah.
He has died long time ago. But what I will do, I will show you the family house of
the family there.
Yes.
What family
of Ogwo Kori? What you will do is carry your load. Be going. Let me ease myself. I'll just show you where Ogwo Kori lives. You hear? His family house. I will show you where. Just go. Wait for me. Just for let me. My father told me that he was the one that killed Chief Ogwo Kori. I didn't even know that someone is still remaining in Ogwo Kori's family. Could it be that this is who has come to the city? Even the one he born at the city, he must have made a lot of wealth. Then he came back to rebuild the Okpulo, the desolate place of Ogwo Kori, a forgotten place, a place we thought that nobody is there. So this one has come back. I must make sure I kill him. I didn't even know So you said you are a son of Ogokore, Sabi? What? You are my friend. You are my friend indeed. You are my friend. Hi. Oh, this one is great. Come on, I will show you
that. Oh, okay, you want to